started to administer the medication, and you're not allowed to give it under a certain threshold of blood pressure, and I would probably stroke. Like, I would get a stroke and maybe die.
One of the junior doctors rewrote, sometimes when you have so many medications, it becomes a mess, so you have to kind of rewrite it. So he rewrote the medications, and he just added 1 0. So rather than it's 25, it became 250.
Everything that's wrong in healthcare was happening in this moment. Paternalism, patients are not seeing, patients falling between the cracks, patients have no voice, no control over their body.
Over the last 10 years, improvements in medication safety have happened, definitely.
As long as we live, as long as we are human, as long as we give medications, there will always be errors.
This is not a high-income country's problem, nor low or middle-income country's problem. This is a healthcare system problem. It's a global problem.